What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Tema Comm25. Here, we are come to fix our sliding gate for this space, and then this entrance as well. It's two sliding gates, all 18 feet, and customer picked from the list of gate that we sent to him, and then we took our time to do a very solid and great finishing for him. It's going to take us like 4 hours to complete this project, and we're very excited to show you the very final work. If you are in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, make sure you call us. If you're outside Ghana, just let us know. We'll just come and take the dimensions, and when you are ready, we'll bring the gates and then we'll install it. Guys, we're the best guys in the market. We have the best prices. We do the best job. So let's go. Let me show you the final work. What's up, guys? So we are done with our gates, our 18-foot gates. As I said, this is an 18-foot gate, and then the other one is also there. We are about to everything, and then we officially commission the gate. Alright, so this side is done. Let's go to the other side. Remove the rubber for the gate number 2. Hi guys, we are done with the gate finally. Very neat and very clean. As you can see, this is a sliding gate, 18-feet gate. And then the other one is also 18-feet gate. Very neat. You can see the design, very clean and nice. This is actually inside Tema Comm25, and the client is very, very excited about the outcome. If you have any great project, make sure you give us a call. Let's go. Let me show you the other one too. Let's go. So as you can see, very neat. This is a gate number 2. Very neat and clean. You know, we took our time to deliver some very great, wonderful outcome for the clients. Like I always say, we're the best guys in the market. We have the best prices. We do the best job. If you have any gate projects for us, make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. Now we are everywhere in Ghana. So just give us the dimensions. We'll just come around and then we'll send you the samples that we have. You choose and then we execute it for you. Thank you and cheers.